Why am I invisible? What the hell?
So yeah, like, as I told you guys, I'm actually doing the SMP. It's kind of crazy. I have these nerds with me. Bro, Safine! Bro.
Get him. Yeah.
You stupid monkey. Damn. Bro! Bro, I've died so much times, it's not even funny, bro. Look at the map.
There's way too many dead bodies.
I guess I'm just gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna get stacked. You guys are just gonna, like, be messing around. Let's actually, like, get stacked, guys. Like, we got this, bro.
No, we don't. Got food for everyone.
Let's go.
Alright, you get some. Where's
my own food, bro?
Oh, never mind. Yeah, man, you get some too. I need wood.
Let's go, Big Daddy. Okay, bro, we should get out of this village. We've been here for too long. It's funny how we added guns to Minecraft, but like.
Right.
Yeah, let me see this. Grenade launcher. Hell yeah.
No, we got this.
Oh my god, I found a dragon.
We got
Already?
this.
It's a very... Also, so if you know that dragon that you had, this one's bigger.
Oh.
Wait, what? Where?
I'm coming.
Like, it's like 20, like, I don't know. It's like just outside the chunk render distance. That's
Is
bones.
the dragon
I'm
alive
just
or
gonna go to
is it
it.
bones? Okay.
It's just bones. I'm gonna go to it.
Bones? Oh, I see.
Wait, is it just bones? I can't... Yeah, I think it is just bones.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that's humongous!
Wait, bro, I want to see this.
I'm saying. Anyway, it's my bones, so yeah, fuck you guys.
You don't even know what to do with it.
Exactly, but it's still mine. Oh, alright, right click it, thank you, bro.
Why is it so big? Holy crap.
I don't know. It'd be cool if we fought this thing.
Yeah,
Damn!
To you,
Oh my
Hamza.
god.
Hamza, never to you.
Yeah, wow.
Also, why does it make skeleton noises when I right click on it? Also, what the hell do I do with dragon bones?
You can make stuff. Where's the dragon
skull?
head, bro?
That's crazy. Bro, what? How do you have such a long bit? Wait, what?
What?
It's called the Lancer.
I mean, how do you have such a long sword? There's emeralds, bro?
That's not emeralds. I don't know, mine it.
Wait, what do you mean it's not emerald, Hamza?
It's copper ore. What the hell?
No, that's because it's not emerald. There's different ores.
It's
gray
copper.
concrete.
Yo, please. I'm about to die.
Run.
Help.
Bro, use your shield.
Help me.
Where are you?
You're right here. Help me.
Die. I got you, bro.
This thing sucks too. Oh my god.
What do you do with copper? And why is copper green? What?
I don't know.
It's oxidized.
Let's keep going. Banana.
Oh no, we're waiting for Sphene. They're both coming here.
Oh. That's gonna take a while.
Eternity later.
I haven't even died. How many hours I haven't even been? And it's showing all those red little things. Like, you know what hostile GTA NPCs look like on your video map? Like, that's what they look like. Also, there's
yeah, that's hostile
worm that's like glitching out.
Sophia, watch out! It like this fly really sucks.
Oh, so he's over there.
Also, what's the death worm? Cause I saw in the subtitles, but I don't know what it is.
That's a shark. That's a crocodile. That's a crocodile. That's a crocodile. That's a crocodile.
Ew, Florida?
Crocodile.
Yo?
Please. I'm sorry.
Yo, I wanna go to the other side.
It's a raccoon? What the fuck? What the hell?
That's good, bitch.
What did y'all add, bruh?
I do not like how he's
What if I give you food? Oh, they'll take it. That's nice. Anyway, I need my food back, so
we should not like have beef with the crocodile right now, bro.
Guys, what's the big ass Shrek looking motherfucker stand in the distance?
What?
Oh, that's a goblin. Sophian, you don't need grab right now.
What do I do with him? Is he gonna kill
Oh,
me?
there's a snake!
Where? Let me give it
right
a kiss.
there, bro.
Sophian, go, Hamza. Is that thing gonna kill me? It's like a big cyclops.
A big cyclops?
It's like a big guy with like one eye and he's fucking
Oh yeah,
walking
he's
around.
definitely killing you. He's for sure killing you.
Alright, I'm gonna run that.
What?
Oh, that's a boss.
What? What is it?
The big cyclops.
Yaman, why do you... Oh.
That's a dragon's nest! No! No!
Bro,
no!
I see an actual dragon. Holy. Bro, I see an alive dragon. It's kinda insane.
Well...
It's coming!
So how much damage do the rifles do? Do they do a lot or?
No, run.
Bro, yo, banana, where are you? Oh,
I'm running.
He flew to me. Help,
I found
please.
like some kind of.
Oh, yeah, you got it, man.
Oh.
How do you guys like the dragons so far?
Did it destroy my bed? I think it did. Oh my god, it destroyed my bed. Okay, fuck this game.
He also left.
I guess it's me and you left, bro.
See, he left the voice chat.
Wait, the dragon!
Run. Oh, that's a dragon over there.
Behind us.
And there's one over there too. Yo, yeah, man, run. Run, yeah, man. Oh, I think he sees me. I have nothing.
I'm blocking in, bro. I'm not trying to die.
He helped me in his mouth.
I blocked in.
I'm gonna get another bit from here. He bit me. He bit me, then grabbed me and started flying.
Yeah, same. That's what he did to me last time.
Bro, I'm about to cry.
Iron, let's go. But how stacked do you have to be to not get killed? But
Very,
get killed?
very stacked. We need guns.
Okay, let's get guns. I really underestimated how strong the
I actually did
dragons.
too. I actually did too.
It's kind of crazy. By the way, guys, if you're still here, please like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm that guy.
Now, how am I supposed to get on top of there? He put myself way up. Oh my god. I'm telling you, this is pure racism. We're going through hell. What's Sophian doing?
I mean, I'm pretty sure Sophian already been through too much.
He needs to go through more hell, like us. Oh my god, I have so much stuff.
Same. I just need iron legends, and then I'll be done.
Wow. Bro, everywhere I go, I see them. Like, oh my god. I blame Hamza.
I found a chest, bruh.
Found a chest?
Yeah, I'm in a mine shaft.
Oh.
Wait, what?
That's another dragon's nest.
What does silver do?
I have no clue.
More iron, let's go. I think I got some extra armor. You guys, bro, took him the whole episode, but he finally got it, bro. He got the gun, bro. He still needs
ammo. Can y'all
ammo.
come and help? Could someone be a distraction, please? So I can get myself...
No, bro. You're on your own right
such
now.
elements. Oh my god. A little cyclops. Look, I got meat for you to eat. Please help me, bruh. Oh my god.
Bro, run back
Why
here,
is he
bro.
so fat?
Where?
Oh, it's a good crocodile.
I see. I might be coming. Where? Let me see.
Oh, I'm already gone. I'm long gone.
Oh, I see.
I'm at you.
Bro, there's an alligator almost spit your dick off. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked. Yeah. Please like and subscribe. And if you like this, just comment and I'll do an episode 2. And yeah, please subscribe before he shoots me. I'm in his basement right now. Please subscribe.